should be like white bass bonanza.
Holy.
That's a ball.
This is what we're here for.
Big.
Ooh. That's better with it, right? What is up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Reeling in America. Sorry, it's a little windy out here, but it's the end of September and we're out here gonna meet up with my good buddies Brandon and Alonzo. Our other buddy Terry's gonna be meeting up with us, but it's the end of September, getting a little cold at night, so the fish should start biting here soon. We're gonna go out today and try and chase down some perch and some walleyes. Gonna try and anchor up and do a little jigging. Got Stella along with us, so all right. Well, hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned to this episode of Reeling in America.
We're really.
Sparkles. About to get started for today. Got Alonzo in the background. Little sunrise coming on. Captain Diener off here. Oh. Whoop whoop. Whoop, whoop. About to drop the first lines in. Got some seagulls coming in on sunrise. Gonna start out doing a little jigging with a little pilky, a little middlehead. Stella, quit whining. Alright, we're gonna get down there and see if we can't get some perch.
Eater.
First
That's
fish of the
eater,
morning.
Dude.
Oh wow, there's Brandon.
Yep! Only boat out here. There ain't nobody in sight.
Only boat on the lake. 5 minutes in. Brandon's already hooked up. Captain Brandon.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, here's my first fish of the day. It's a good one to start out the day.
Quick too, if we don't catch nothing in the next 10 minutes or so. Or you want to be here for the prime opening?
That one of your hill perch ones?
I used that one last night for a little bit. I liked it. I liked it a lot.
Ooh, they're really light. This might be a different fish.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Just a big one. And just look at that rod bending.
Want to net him so you don't lose him?
Yep. Shizzy. Here we go.
Oh, big fish?
No. I was perch fishing.
That's what I need. No, I don't have. I was
Need hammers. I think it's fucking soft, yeah.
Oh yeah. You just threw them back. Lonzo missed one. Caught a little baby. Made a quick spot change after no perch at the first one. Only a few white bass here. Made it up, do it again. There's been something just tapping on my line.
Same color as my boat, so Dino, come on.
Matches your outfit right now too.
I'm gangster.
You like it, right? You like that one?
Yeah.
Here. See that thing? Brandon's homemade perch rod.
Yeah, it's a donation for Cousins Forever, but they're not having the banquet this year, so I'll build a new one for next year.
So, or just let me have this one, Brandon. It matches my boat. That would be sick. That'd be my story, you know.
All right, you can have it. I do owe you $150.
Yes.
Bridge.
Oh, I just missed one already that quick.
Dang.
Northern action. Oh, Captain Dino got another northern on the slip bobber. Oh, greasy.
I ain't touching this one.
Greasy. So, what are you doing? Huh?
That's Alonso's spot though for now.
Terry made it for the day, dressed for the occasion. How's it going, Terry? How's the drive?
Too bad.
That's
Cruise up
Alonso's
here
spot.
pretty good. Set up shop up front. Alright, got Terry picked up, spot set up, music on. Lon's already caught a big crappie, I caught a little white bass, missed a couple. We can make it happen.
What is it? I don't know. Oh yeah, I don't like that.
I think the 9's out there big.
Holy.
That's a ball.
This is what we're here for.
I just broke my line too.
Oh my God.
He's got one too, Ben.
I'm eating a Snickers.
15 foot of water.
14-incher. Yeah.
Little South Dakota gold. Lonzo's eating the Snickers over here. Yeah, that thing's a tank. We need about 40 more of those. Haven't even got the chain.
Oh, Roscoe.
Something good?
Nah, I think it's just a white bass again. Oh, maybe not.
I think that floats up.
Maybe not. Yep. Shoot.
$30. Oh,
Oof, da.
good. Tighten that drag up a little bit.
Doubled up.
Big.
This should be like white bass bonanza.
I've just missed like 4 while I was trying to get the camera. White bass bonanza today. I'm pretty sure they're just biting on a bear hook now.
Look at this thing, Roscoe.
Holy whoa.
See this thing, Terry?
Boy,
Hold
I'd
him
be
up.
putting him on the arm.
Oh,
Hey.
there you go. You gonna switch her up? Switch her up and do a little jigging wrapping. Oh, I think I just had a nibble. Definitely.
First cast.
Yeah.
First
Bass.
White bass.
Problem
man.
is, though-
We're just gonna secure him right here.
cast, Roscoe?
Yeah.
Baller, dude.
Away she goes.
What was that?
White bass. Ooh. That's better, whatever that is.
Oh. I'm still gonna net it so you don't lose it though.
Yo. Thank you, sir.
I was hoping that. Hey, you mean to get a video of it?
I don't know. Yeah. How bad's that snugged in there?
Not bad. These rubbers
Not
don't
too
smell
bad.
good, dude.
Yeah. Nice little northern on the jigging wrap. Out. Thank you, sir.
You bet, buddy.
Woo! Not what we're looking for, but they're pretty fun. Oh, we've only been up there in the wintertime, and
Yeah.
I always use ripping wraps when I'm up there. I don't really use these too much. Won't be long. What'd you get back there, Terry?
Get himself a Walter.
Oh. I haven't, no. I've not.
Yeah? I don't know. I don't know what I got here. White bass.
Nice white bass.
Oh, God.
What is it?
Jumbo.
Are you shitting me?
Finally got another one of what we're looking for here. Oh, I got fish on the jigging wrap. Yeah. Number 2. Yeah. First one going in the live well. Look at that jumbo in there. That thing's fucking.
Even take like the littler ones, like the 5s, and cast them.
Yeah, I wish if I did have a 5. It's another white bass, so. Oh, that's a little perchy.
What you thought was white bass is
Nice
not
shot,
white
bud.
bass.
Woo! Thank you, sir. Here we go. My first perch of the day. Let's see if we can't get a few more. It ain't quite the 14-inch Dino got, but.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, it's filling up. It's filling up.
We got supper, boys. We got supper.
What are you doing? You chasing flies? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. We marked the school.
Found a little school doing a little scanning with the side scan. 15 foot of water, you can see right in here, that's just fish and there's shadows down below.
15.
Elevated school. We're gonna get down there and see if we can't get a few.
Blackout drunk Monday night.
On 12th Street? Oh, that's a crappie.
For a light pole on Wall Street.
Oh,
What's that, Rascal?
Big old crappie.
big over. Thank you, sir. Alright, we just got moves, found that school on side imaging. Terry got himself a little beauty. Not a bad little crappie on the pilky. A little jigging.
I think it's huge.
Set up here. See, whoop, coming at you. See if we can't make something happen. Ooh, baby. Didn't have the GoPro going, but hooked up on the jigging rod. Little minnow head on the old pilky. Just jigging over the side of the boat. Alright, we're gonna get back down there and see if we can't get a few more. Just like he did.
Lost too many fish because not many. Even if there's just a few people, I'm in that pool, man.
bobber action going back here.
I got it right here.
Let me see it, Terry. On the slip bobber.
No, on the pokey.
Have to fire one up. We're up here still doing some jigging with the pilky in a minnow. Picking off these perch here as I swim through. Neil. Terry, how you doing back here in the Lucky Socks?
Good. Ain't caught none of them big ones like you guys do.
Another little walleye. He ain't big enough to keep. What do you got over here, Alonzo? Oh yeah.
Well,
Terry's
maybe
hooked up.
let's pick a spot before we even head out.
Trophies. Well, what are you feeling?
Now I'm on the board. The fuck
It's the one you've been waiting for.
There he is, little chubby.
Alonzo's first jumbo of the day. They're just kind of coming in schools. I just missed one, trying to get a little cam going. Get back down. Big old crappie. Alonzo's hooked up. Wow, that's a crappie there, man. Terry just got another perch. Alonzo got another crappie. That's not too white bass. Heck yeah.
Oh, that's not a white bass. Fucking jumbo.
Another one.
I guess I bought a pool. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, boys. That's why you net them right there. That's why you net
They
them.
pop off. And you don't want to lose a fish that looks like this. These things fight like crazy too.
Ew.
Get them on those nice light rods. Doing fun stuff. What do you think? What do you think about this perch fishing? Huh? Where's the choice? Ah, boys. Oh, yeah.
Dandy.
Another dandy. Another one. Another dandy on the jig. Oh, what do you got in here? How many you got?
11.
Bam. Bam. Oh,
See? Look at that shit.
Look at that neck.
Oh, it's just
I just put number 21 on the bucket. Brandon just caught number 22. We're about out of bait. I have to pack them up here soon and go have a fish fry. Oh, just after 5 o'clock, calling it a day. Gonna go clean some fish. Nice pile, about 20 perch. Couple of walleyes, couple of big crappies. Have a nice little fish fry tonight. Not a bad day jigging on the water. that does it for this episode of Reeling in America. We're back here now. Got the fish all cleaned up. Got them all battered up and frying some up. We're out here with Alonzo and Brandon. Got Terry over here. What do you got to say about today, Brandon?
Great day fishing. Beautiful day on the water. Fun hanging out with everybody, and that's what it's all about, man.
A lot better than a day of work on Friday. Couldn't complain. I needed a day off, and can't explain a better way to have it spent. Yeah, it's a good day of fishing. Thanks for watching. We're gonna go up for duck opener tomorrow, so we should have some duck episodes coming soon. So as always, thanks for watching. Remember to keep reeling in America. You can edit her out. Works up good.
That was awesome.
Roger. Fine. I was trying not to laugh.